Members of Gabriela Party List held a press conference at Carbon Public Market today, January 26, to express their support for the members of Carbon Hanong Alianza who are against the privatization of carbon market through the 5.5 billion joint venture agreement or GVA between Cebu City and Migawide Construction Corporation. Gabriela Party List Representative Arlene Brosas showed the resolution submitted to Congress last July 2021 calling for a congressional hearing on the issue, and she said they will be rallying for this once again before the current session ends. They are also calling on their district representatives to sign the resolution to further lobby the inquiry in Congress. Ana Marie Ariosa, chairperson of Carbohanong Alianza, says they are not against their planned improvements, but they wanted the GVA to be done with proper consultation with the market vendors.
Mayurama, unta, paminawa ang imong mga ginsakpan, sulbaron, unsa na ang ayuhon ang masakiton nga GVA. Usa pa nimo manduan si Raquel, kay mo may ingon ni Raquel, mando kuno sa iyang kuan, may laing nagmando niya, ang mayora gyud. Intawon, paminawa ang mga tao. Kay lisod jud kay rong panahon na wala mi nakikuan diri nga kuan mi diri kay kontra mi sa kuan sa kanang kalambuan, dili sayop jud na ang amoa ang kaangayan patas nga pamaagi.
Meanwhile, different market vendors expressed various reactions to the market's modernization.
Ang amol sa unto tong gihangyo nga ug mahimo diri lang ang magpabilin. Kay di amang gyud diri amo ang panginabuhi.
Di mi mo kuan, di mi mo balibad kung kami jud tanan kung mao na jud na ilahang kuan na mo gusto o. Pero naamang god rin nagrally sila mamba. Kami kay ba kung unsa kuan ba ni malangay ba among pagbalhin. Kay murag naamay ni kuan ba na may daghang ni supak.
Cebu City Mayor Michael Rama said he is willing to sit down with Carbon's vendors to listen to their side on this ongoing issue.
That is a matter belonging in a democratic country. Please lang. Kaya inistorya na ko ng mga grupo. Kinala tumagong ko nila. Nakapuyo ba sila sa karbon? Ikarawa, nganong nabot man sila karon? Kiba ba sila sa ermita? Kiba ba sila sa Warwick? Kiba ba sila Port San Pedro? Kumpanya maritima, gibaw pa sila bato, kinahanglan mo tingog sila anak.
This has been Shariza Miuy from ITV Cebu.